Hi students, I am your EVS teacher. Today I am going to take a topic is our nervous system. Do you feel excited when your school team is about to win? When we feel excited or nervous, our body becomes tense. This is because our nervous system becomes overactive. The brain, the spinal cord, and the nerves form the nervous system. Our nervous system controls all the other systems of our body. The brain is the control center of the human body. It receives information from all the parts through different nerves. Our brain is made up of 3 different parts. An adult human brain weighs about 1.4 kg and contains millions of tiny cells. The space between the skull and the brain and also the inside of the brain is filled with a clear fluid which serves as a cushion against jerks and injuries. The next topic is human brain. The brain has 3 parts. First one is cerebrum, second one is cerebellum, and third one is medulla oblongata. The largest part of the brain is the cerebrum. It is dome-shaped surface, is covered with deep ridges and grooves. It controls the working of our eyes, ears, nose and tongue. It also controls our voice. It is the center of intelligence. We can think, learn, remember and recall because of the cerebrum. Below the cerebrum is the cerebellum. It coordinates the actions of the muscles and makes them work together. It helps us to balance our body and keep us in an upright posture. If the cerebellum does not function properly, our body movements become jerky. Medulla oblongata connects the brain to the spinal cord. It controls involuntary actions like the movements of the lungs and the heart. The medulla is active even when we sleep. The brain needs a continuous supply of blood and oxygen. So, we must get enough sleep to rest our brain. The spinal cord extends from the base of the brain or medulla to almost the lower end of the backbone. It is enclosed inside the tough, bony but flexible spine. It connects the rest of the body to the brain through the nerves. Next topic is nerves. Nerves are long, thread-like structures that carry messages between the brain and other parts of the body. Nerves are made up of nerve cells. There are 3 kinds of nerves. The first one is sensory nerves. The nerves which bring messages from the sense organs to the brain or the spinal cord are called sensory nerves. The second one is motor nerves. The nerves which carry orders from the brain or the spinal cord to the muscles or glands are called motor nerves. Next, mixed nerves. The nerves which carry messages to the brain as well as bring orders from the brain are called mixed nerves. Next, the topic nervous system controls all our actions, but some of our actions are automatic. We don't have to think before doing them. These actions are called reflex actions. Such actions are controlled by the spinal cord. For example, when our finger comes too close to a hot object, the sensory nerves immediately pass a message to the spinal cord. The spinal cord sends order through the motor nerves for the muscles to tighten up. We pull our hand away from the hot object. Even before we feel the pain, blinking of the eyes and watering of the mouth are two other examples of reflex actions. Next topic is sense organs. The eyes are our most important sense organ. Each eyeball is safely set in a deep bony socket and is further protected by the eyelids and the eyelaces. These help to keep dust and dirt out of our eyes. In the front portion of the eye, there is a circular transparent area called the cornea. The colored circle in the eye is the iris. The pupil, which looks like a black spot, is the opening through which light enters the lens. Light travels through pupil to the retina at the back of the eye, where the image of the object is formed. A sensory nerve called the optic nerve connects the eye to the brain. Next topic is ears. Our ears help us hear sounds. They also enable us to keep our balance. The outer ear helps us to receive and direct sound waves to the inner ear. The next topic is nose. We breathe and smell through our nose. The sense of taste and the sense of smell are linked. There are many nerve endings in the upper part of our nose. These are sensitive to smell. The next topic is tongue. The tongue is the main organ of taste and it enables us to speak. The surface of the tongue is covered with tiny pumps. Inside these pumps are some cells called taste buds. The taste buds detect the four major tastes: sweet, salty, sour, and bitter. The next topic is skin. The skin forms the outermost covering of our body. It protects the internal organs. We can feel the sensation of touch, heat, pain, or pressure because of our skin. The pores on the surface of the skin allow certain body waste to come out as sweat. Dear students, last topic is care of sense organs. First one is care of eyes. We must try to avoid any kind of injury to our eyes. Follow these rules. Okay? First one is wash your eyes regularly with clean and cold water. Point number 2, don't study or work in dim light. And point number 3, don't read in a moving vehicle. Point number 4 is always sit at least 6 feet away from the television set. Care of ears. Never clean your ears with a pointed object. Point number 2, use a dry towel to clean your ears. And point number 3, Don't let water enter your ears. Okay? Next, care of nose. Keep your nostrils clean by blowing your nose regularly. Don't pick your nose. Point number 3. Inhale steam to clear a blocked nose. The last one is care of the skin. Soap and water are enough to remove and sweat from the skin. Point number 2. Dry yourself thoroughly after bathing and wear clean and comfortable clothes. Okay students, watch the video and if you have any doubt, ask me. Thank you.